warming things up. And we recently had Food Network star and Boston-based chef Tatiana Rosana with her take on a classic dish.
Thank you all for having me. So I don't know about you two, but breakfast is my absolute favorite meal of the day. Breakfast for dinner is constant in our house.
Omelet at night, like,
exactly.
Yeah, I feel you.
But my second favorite meal is the meal that I share with family. Yeah. So for me, food is very nostalgic. It's things that I connect to my culture, my heritage, my family. So on the menu at Para Maria, I wanted to put something that honored both breakfast and my family. We have Abuelita's pancakes.
I love this.
So my grandmother's pancakes. And we make these with a little twist. Okay. So most pancakes are made with flour, and that's great, but I like to make them with masa harina. Okay. So masa harina, we have it up here. It's different than like a traditional cornmeal or flour.
Is it like a mixture?
So essentially it is dried corn that is made into a flour, but before that it's kind of soaked in a lime solution. It gives those tortillas that like signature sour taste. Okay. It really takes these pancakes to the next level.
Oh, that feels
like
nice.
Sourdough. Exactly.
Okay.
So there's a little bit of body to it. It's a little grittier than regular flour, but not quite as gritty as cornmeal.
Yeah, because cornmeal will be too
the
for pancakes.
Yeah. And something I love about the Boston food scene in general is that it's really expanding. So you can find masa harina in almost every grocery store.
Perfect.
Walk into a Spanish grocery store if you can't find it in any of the big name shops, and they will have it. Okay. It is absolutely amazing. The flavor that it lends to these pancakes is unbelievable. I grew up eating these. They're very near and dear to my heart. And I think we all kind of have those stories, right?
100%.
Yes.
Well, so I was saying my grandfather, when in the summers when we would grow up, he would make pancakes for us every Sunday morning, and we would have shapes that we could pick, and my brother would always pick like a soccer ball, so it's just like a round. I'd be like, can you make me a horse or like a sailboat, or like, it has to be complicated, but this is such a fun way, and my parents have now adopted that with my nieces. But we always put toppings on as well. I'm a powdered sugar gal. And syrup I know is popular, but you do something a little different.
Yeah, you're not going to give away the Abuelita secrets. There's nothing really like grandma's cooking, I will say. But we hear you do something different.
So
what do you do?
I won't give away all the secrets.
You can't.
No. My abuela, she used to top anything made with this masa harina with sweetened condensed milk. So it takes that sour flavor, adds the sweet. I need you guys to dig in.
Yes, please.
But one of my favorite.
Don't mind me.
Don't force us to.
No, I mean, please do. But you need the sweet and condensed milk. Yes. So one of my favorite things about pancakes is you can really personalize them and kind of make them your own.
Other than the shapes.
Other than the shapes, yeah. So if you like chocolate, throw the chocolate chips on. If you like fruit, want to pretend like you're being healthy in the new year, throw some fruit on there.
This is very Caribbean to use the carnation.
Exactly. Yes, we use it in a lot of things. But on these pancakes, it really, you don't need the maple syrup. It takes it to the next level.
Oh, I love this. I'm so excited. So what are some other your other favorite toppings? I already put some on my plate just now.
So the sweet condensed milk is really high up there. I like taking any berries that might be on the way out. You know, you can never like eat those berries quick enough. Throw them in a pot, add some sugar, add a little bit of lime juice, and make a homemade compote. It comes together in 5 minutes. Throw it on here.
You could probably mix it with that and get the tart and the sweet. Oh my goodness.
Well, we love all of this. People can try this at Para Maria, right?
Yep.
And then do you have any new food ventures coming up here in the new year?
So I am working on quite a few things. I actually just got a new position, so I'm the regional culinary director for our company. So you will be able to find this food in locations all over the city.
That is so exciting.
Anytime you want to like kind of see what I'm working on, please feel free to follow me on Instagram. I post it all on there along with this recipe. So yeah, check it out.
This is big news. I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. This is something that you guys need to be making this weekend. Report back because this is delicious.
There's nothing like a homemade recipe with really anything. That was delicious.
I could eat that all day. And you guys can too, because the recipe is going to be on our Instagram later today at the Hub today. So that one's really fun. But we are all out of time today, but we have a fun show coming your way tomorrow. We have tons of guests in studio.
It's going to be lively.
Pre-workout, snacks. What else do we have? We have some fun stuff.
Weight loss.
Armani.
A lot of
really good stuff. So make sure you come back tomorrow. And stay warm today.
Please.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Hold up.